So for today's wash, I am going to use As I Am Coconut Co-Wash. This thing is like a holy grail natural hair statement for me because it detangles my hair. It smells amazing. It gives me great slip. Yeah. And it also cleanses my hair. So it kind of does everything I needed to do. It cleanses my hair, detangles my hair, moisturizes my hair. And then I'm going to come in with a deep conditioner. I am going to use Texture's ID Deep Treatment Mask. It is for restore strength and hydration. It has sweet almond oil, wheat protein, and honey. And I love using products, especially deep conditioners with honey in it, because honey has that humectant effect, which it pulls all the moisture from the air and put it into your hair, which it really needs. So I would just say use it as directed. And for this one, leave it for 7 to 10 minutes. Okay. So I just got out the shower and I'm just gonna use my water bottle and my Shea Moisture Strength and Restore smoothie, and I'm gonna use it as a leave-in. So the leave-in is really here to moisten my hair before I lock it in with the gel. So the cream is more to moisturize my hair, and the gel is really gonna define it. So with the cream, I'm just gonna separate my hair into small twists. But first I'm gonna use my handy dandy Denman brush to separate my curls and taking the cream to apply it in my hair. I do twists in my hair when I apply my moisturizer or leave-in because I want my curls to be popping, and the more I separate my hair into smaller sections, it's better to distribute all throughout your hair because when you're doing the rake through method, it's so easy to just throw the product on your hair and not get every strand. So by singling out into these chunky twists, you can get to your hair better. So I am going to do this all over my hair. Okay guys, so this is my hair after I wash, deep conditioned it. I have my leave-in, aka my Strength and Restore smoothie. I use it as my leave-in and my moisturizer before I put my flaxseed gel on. So this is my flaxseed gel, still jiggling. Let me show you guys. It smells good. It smells like tea tree and lavender. And this is the consistency of the gel. Very slimy and sticky. So, yeah. So that's the gel. And I'm going to put it on my hair. To apply the gel, I'm just going to use the rake through method with my fingers and to evenly distribute all over my hair. Alright y'all, this is my hair with the flaxseed gel all over. I am pretty shook. I am pretty impressed, and I still have some more left over, so I'm gonna put it in the fridge. Hopefully the tea tree and the lavender acts as a mild preservative, so I can use it for at least a couple weeks before I go rancid or going bad. So yes, I am very amazed at Mother Nature right here. This is all just flaxseed gel and the Strength and Restore smoothie in my hair. That's it. So I'm just gonna let my hair air dry and see how it dries. But my hair is very, very moisturized. Like, I don't think any of these products other than the Kinky Curly really gets my hair this defined and this moisturized just using flaxseed gel. I'm shook. Like, I'm so shook, and I love it. Like, I love it. Mm, 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 mm. So I end up letting my hair air dry and I end up going to sleep. So this is my hair the next day. And I'm just going to take a dryer to just stretch my hair out a little bit to get it to the length that I want it to. So you could set your dryer to a cool setting to just stretch the hair. So this is the final look after my hair is blowed out. And if you want to learn how to make the flaxseed gel, I'll leave the description box. And I just love how this flaxseed gel has my hair more soft and not crusty and hard like other gels. So thank you guys for watching.